What's up, guys? It's your girl Q, and I got my baby Rayana in the house and my nephew Tyree in the house. Okay, so this video was requested by one of my subscribers. This is called the Burp Challenge. At first, I was a little hesitant. I was like, you want me to burp on camera? What? So after doing some research and stuff like that, I was like, okay, cool, whatever. Let's just have some fun. So we got different sodas. We got some off-brand sodas and we got some name-brand sodas. So I'm gonna just try it out and see which one makes us burp better. Like, hey, let's just try it. All right. So without further ado, it's time for Q Eats. Yeah. All right. So anyhow, we're gonna start with this one first. Yes, I love that sound. You? Yes, honey. All right, that's something for me.
So I want to try to burp.
Yeah, gotta burp. Just burp. Don't do no baby burps. I want to hear a good burp, especially you, Terry. I know you got some old nasty old man burps. So, all right, so for you, let me give you a little more. All right, there you go. Try some for me. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Excuse us for all these burps.
I'm doing that too fast.
Uh-oh. What you got, Rihanna? Nothing? Golly!
Oh.
That's so weird.
I know, it feels so, like, I feel like I'm a bad person. Okay, that was a good burp. All right.
Ooh.
Ooh, that was nice. That was nice. All right, time for the Diet Pepsi.
You gotta finish that. You gotta finish that.
All right, let's see yours. All this soda.
What
I
we
think
gonna do?
Pepsi's actually gonna hit it.
You think Pepsi's gonna make you burp?
I'm not gonna drink it too fast this time.
Uh-uh.
Listen.
Oh yeah, already. Already. That was a solid one.
Let's come that up. Why are you not soft?
She rather just followed by a drink.
Not a lot because we're not professional.
There you go. How's that? That's enough. Excuse me. She don't want to burp, guys. Clearly.
Ooh.
Yeah. Oh man. Nothing?
Ooh.
Yeah, I probably was gonna come out, but I didn't.
Oh. Drink it fast. You gotta drink it fast.
What type is this?
That's root beer cream soda. Oh, that's why it's gonna make you burp real good.
Let's play.
Chug it, chug it, chug it, chug it, chug it, chug it.
Let's go places.
It's not coming out. I don't want to.
Toyota.
Tough luck.
Toyota. Let's go places.
Let's go places, Lulu.
Toyota.
Let's go. Where we going? I need a Toyota.
The littlest burps.
Not sponsored.
Yeah! There you go. Oh, excuse me. Woo. That came out of nowhere too. Brr.
Did you drink nothing today?
Have you ever done a triple? Like you sneeze, cough, and pass gas? Like that is something extraterrestrial right there. Like for all components to be working like that, that's crazy. Alright. I got a funny story. I was riding with a person, me and my sister, and excuse me. Excuse me.
It's coming out.
Oh, excuse me. Okay, so we had went to the Walmart. Me and my sister and the extra person. We had went to the Walmart, right? And so we already had bought everything that we needed to buy, and we were leaving Walmart. So this person went to bend down, and when they bent down, excuse me. And when they bent down, excuse me. Excuse me. When they bent down, it was so funny because all we heard was, it was like, what was that? And the person was like, oh my Lord, excuse me. And me and my sister, we were done. We were laughing too hard. We were laughing too hard. Your tummy full?
Yeah.
I know, I'm full too.
I'm finished.
How?
Lulu said he finished.
Oh my gosh, you see that?
What?
When you opened all that.
Here you go now. This is a good cup right here. This is a good cup. Ooh. Ooh.
Come smile.
Now it's starting to feel better when it comes out.
You just don't want no root beer. Which soda you want instead of root beer?
Pepsi.
Not a lot of Pepsi.
Not a lot of Pepsi either.
See,
This
this
tastes like
when
that.
it says
It's like that ice cream that you had, that yogurt ice cream.
For real?
That's what it reminds me of.
Ooh. I don't like that.
outside.
Yo, she talking about not a lot because I still got to go outside after this.
I want to play with my friends.
I want to play with my friends too. Okay, I don't have any friends.
I was trying to
I don't
be, I
have-
was like,
I don't have any friends. Hashtag not lying. I really don't have any friends. I don't. So whatever. Like my best friend is my husband. My sisters are my next best friends, and then my babies are not friends. They're people I confide in sometimes when I need to vent. But She looking at me. Look, your kids cannot be your friends because then they want to start acting crazy. They can't be. I'm sorry, I love you, but you can't be my friend.
You can't treat. No, you can't treat her like your friend. That's what.
Yeah. We're cool. Like the other side of the pillow. We're cool, shorty. But I can't be your friend. You is shorty. All right, last one.
I can't burp, man. My stomach hurts. My legs explode. I thought my stomach about to bust open.
All right, here we go. This is a good one. Excuse me. Oh yeah. Oh, it feels good to burp it out because that junk hurt. All them sodas make your stomach hurt. Whew.
Oh.
Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Okay, guys. That's all the burping I think I gotta do. I mean, I can feel more burps rising, but we'll be here for a long time. Wait for us to get finished with these burps.
If I burp all the time, it's gonna be so embarrassing.
Excuse me.
I can't burp.
Woo, excuse me. That was coming for days. Woo! Anyways, Robert, this was for you. Outside of you requesting this, I don't think I ever would have done this on camera. Excuse me. But hope y'all enjoyed this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Let us know what video you would like for us to do next. Whatever you want us to do, we will try our best to try it out. And if we can't do it, we do apologize. She said that's old. What's new? This, the Millie Rock?
That's old too.
I thought this was old. What's new?
Let's see what it is new.
Okay. I think the shoot. That's kind of old. Man, y'all fads changed
like
it.
Fortnite. Fortnite was old. That was like so last year.
Fortnite was not. Fortnite is what's popping.
Yeah, it's popping now, but I think it's still last year. But people still play it.
No, Fortnite.
Fortnite just came out.
Yeah, it came out
Within
last year.
Last year.
2017.
You know, some years ago. Okay, this is how I can tell you. Because Dennis, the person I watched, he played it like 2 years ago.
2017. Well, yeah, because it's about to be 2019.
Yeah.
So
Oh.
it's basically 2017.
Well, Dennis, if you're watching this video somewhere out there, I want you to know my daughter loves you. Like, I think if she could marry you, she would. Because, no, she said she wouldn't marry, but she would have just the biggest crush on you. Because she thinks you're just so cute. And
I did not say that,
you don't think he's cute?
I didn't.
Okay.
Well, I didn't say that. I didn't say that. I kept it to myself.
Y'all, this girl right here is a trip. Oh my Lord, let me tell y'all, when she thinks somebody's cute, she gets to acting. She be acting, okay?
No.
New things about her come about, stuff I never knew. But anyhow, like we said, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Tell somebody who knows somebody that knows somebody about it. Let them know the good things that we're doing over here. And like I like to say, guys, we out. Deuces.